Today we're changing a side view mirror on a 1996 Ford Explorer. In this step, I'm going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for unhooking the electronics to our heated power mirror. Now, a lot of different vehicles use a lot of different styles. You may be able to reach the electrical connector through here, here or here. You may even be able to pull the cord out enough to unhook it from the outside of the vehicle. On this particular vehicle, as you can see, we have a very long cord. Now just imagine with the mirror sitting here, how far down that cord goes. Now the only access point we have to get at that connector is going to be through the hole we create by removing the speaker. So I'm going to demonstrate the speaker removal process for you right here. This one happens to take a 6mm socket. I'm using my 1/4-inch drive. Go ahead and unscrew that guy. Alright, we got 2 more. Alright, and now for the last one. Alright, I'm going to take and wiggle our speaker out and depress these locking tabs, and as you can see, we have now gained access to that connector for our power mirror. Go ahead and take and set my speaker aside. We're going to unplug it. You don't ever want to leave anything hanging by its cord. That's just bad policy, and it can be tough on the electronics. We're going to take and slip this little screwdriver in here, release the locking tab, and unhook it. Set this aside for later reassembly. Alright, as you can see, we have exposed the electrical connector for our heated power mirror. I'm going to go ahead and reach inside and unhook it. Right there. I'm going to take and slip it out through its access hole. And there you go. That is the proper service procedure for gaining access to your electrical connector and final removal of your power mirror.